friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today. It's the first one of the year. Let's get to it. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you'd like to, I'll leave a description down below. They send you 5 items. You try them on, you send things back you don't want. I'll put my referral link down there too if you want to try it. It's a new year. Try it out. If you use the link, you'll get $25 towards your first box, and I would get $25 as well, so it's a win-win. Here we go. We're going to open her up with our trusty, rusty screwdriver. Here we go. Now, I was sick last week. It wasn't COVID. Don't worry. It's just my cold I get every year. Literally every year. The week before Christmas. So, if I sound a little nasally, that's why. But this is, come on, this is the best I've felt since Tuesday. Today's Sunday as I'm filming this. So, yeah. Did everybody have a good holiday and Christmas and everything and whatever you celebrate? I hope you did. Alright, Stitch Fix also is doing like the Fix preview where they send you 10 items in your email and your app. And then you can pick from those things, or if you don't like anything, you can pick a couple things, or if you don't like anything, you don't pick anything, and they send you new things in your box. So let's read our note. Let's see. Dun dun dun! This is a different stylist. Hi Rachel, happy Fix Day and welcome to Fix number 72. I hope you're having a great day so far and this fix makes it even better. I know Danielle has been doing an amazing job with your fixes, but she is currently enjoying a well-deserved vacation. Feel free to request her for your next fix. Yeah, either, well, you know, this girl's name is Joanna. Hi, Joanna. Danielle's been doing good, but, you know, my Deanna, I might ask for her because I don't know where you went, Deanna. I miss you. Hi. But until then, I was happy to step in and style today's fix for you for a pullover perfect for the cold weather. I picked out the Cozy Market & Spruce Ryan high-low marled textured pullover that will look great with denim jeans, leggings, or printed pants. For a versatile layering piece, I've selected the Pink Clover Haley Double Pocket Coatigan. A Coatigan. What do you think about the pieces I have selected for you today? Have fun trying everything on, and please let me know what you think about each piece. Warmly, Joanna. Thank you, Joanna. Joanna! Anybody watch Sweeney Todd? I was just listening to it, actually. My Spotify playlist, if anyone cares, it's just all musicals. I don't know if you could tell that about me, but I love musicals. Alright. We're going to go over the prices and the names of things at the end. Here we go. They send you the mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep. We'll set her over there. And it's a 2-bundler. Here's one. That must be the Coatigan. She's gray. And here's the other bundle. That's really soft. So I picked out, I think, 2 things, and I think she filled in 3 of them. So let's open her up and see what's inside. Everything feels really soft. We're going to open the little one first. Crinkle, 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 crinkle. If anyone's wondering, it's just a sweatshirt that I'm wearing. But it's from Old Navy and it says, I think it says sunshine on my mind along here. So if you were to wear your hair up, it has a little cute thing there. And then it has the sunshine on this sleeve there. So kind of cute, kind of cute. It's nice, like, go out, stay at home, whatever sweater. The inside's very soft, though. It's very fleecy. I've washed it a few times, so maybe it won't do it anymore, but the fleece would, like, get over everything underneath it. So, me, essentially. Alright, here it is. It's really cute. Okay. The Pink Clover Haley Double Pocket Coatigan in gray, size XL. It has pockets because it's called a Double Pocket Coatigan. And it has cute buttons. Do the buttons actually button? I think maybe the buttons are just for looks because it's a Coatigan. Yeah, I don't see any like spaces for the buttons to go. But it's really cute. It's got a cute little collar. We'll see how that looks. It's really soft too. And into the next bundle. Get the paper out of there. thrilling. Okay, this is so super soft. I kind of love it already. Okay, it is the Market & Spruce Ryan Raglan High-Low Marled Textured Pullover in this really pretty color. What color does they say it is? Burgundy. It's kind of like a brick reddish pinkish. It's coming off more red on camera, but it's more soft than that. And there's the high-low. I kind of love it. It's very soft. You're doing a really good job, Joanna, so far. Good job. Here is the Letty and Me December side button detail pullover in olive. So there's buttons. Oh yeah, there's buttons right there. And it's like a rounded hem, it looks like. That's kind of cute. I don't have anything like that with buttons on it. That's kind of cute. And then I think I picked these next two. This is the Market & Spruce Hannah V-neck pocket 3/4 sleeve tee in dark green, but it's like this dark green animal print, which we all know I love animal print, and it has a little pocket. I thought that was nice. Oh man, and I did just get Stitch Fix gift cards for Christmas from my mom and my mother-in-law, so thank you very much, ladies. And then this last one is, where's the tag? Dun, 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 by Love Ellie, the Raquel Pointel button front cardigan in dark pink, size XL. This is so soft. Look at that pretty stitching, the knit. How pretty that is. Ooh, she's more like a dusty rose, but she's coming off really pink on camera. But super cute. All right, let's try everything on. Here's the first sweater. It's really cute. It's so soft. I just paired this like gray shirt. It's a t-shirt, a little crop t-shirt from I think Wantable, maybe. Underneath it, because it has like this little pink here, and I thought that would go kind of cute to tie it in together. It's really soft. I think it's a nice length. It's like, it's not cropped, but it's short enough that I don't feel like I'm kind of drowning in it. The buttons do work, so you can unbutton it if you wanted to. Let's see what it looks like unbuttoned. I don't think I would wear it unbuttoned, but let's see. I mean, it's still kind of cute, unbuttoned, but I think I do prefer it buttoned. Let's see how many times I can say buttoned in this segment. I think I'm up to 5, maybe. It's really cute. It's so, so soft. I do kind of wish it had like pockets here, but that might make it look a little too boxy. I'm not sure. Here's the back. Again, it's coming off really pink on camera, but it's more like a dusty rose kind of color. And it has an extra button right there in case you lose one. It's really cute. I don't know if I'm in love with it, but I do like it. So let's try on the rest. Here's the dark green animal print. I don't know if I'm crazy about the sleeve length, but it is really comfy. It is kind of pulling right here too, just the way it's cut. It has a little side split right there. It has the pocket for your snacks. I think it'd be really nice layering, like if you put a cardigan on over it. Not the pink one. I mean, you do you. But it's just kind of a nice basic. Again, I like it. I don't think I love it. Like, I don't need it in my wardrobe. I do have a lot of green things. I like green. But it's really comfy. It's a nice basic. You basic. Alright, let's go to the next one. Here's the button one. And again, I think it's doing like that kind of pulling thing. Just because of how it's cut. Are these buttons functional? Yes. Why? I don't know. But they are. The buttons actually work. So maybe if I unbuttoned one. Yeah, I think that, well, it doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't look as nice unbuttoned, buttoned and unbuttoned, but I think it alleviates some of that pull and it makes it a little bit more drapier, down drapier. It's nice. It's a nice color. You can see the color. You can see the color here too. I don't know why I did that close up, but it's just nice. I think I might have tried a button one like this before in the way past because I've been doing this for like 2.5 years now, which is crazy. And there, you know, I don't know, there must have been a reason why I didn't keep them. Maybe it's because they pull. But I think it's really, it's cute if it didn't pull right here. Yeah. I like the color. As I said, I like green. Alright, let's try on the last sweater and the coat again. This is my favorite so far. It's the high-low by Market & Spruce. Market & Spruce just knows how to do it. It's like, it's stretchy, but it's like kind of form-fitting in the sleeves, which I like. I think it's a good neckline. It has kind of that defined neckline right there. Here's the back. So if you did want to wear it with leggings, I think you could. This is that high-low. It's not too high, it's not too low. Let's try the coat again on with it. Here's the coat again. It's really cute again. Stop it. Unlike the green coat, I think was that my last one? 2 fixes ago maybe? This one is like just a coat, like a cardigan kind of thing. So there's no like lining inside. It just folds over so you don't see like any weird seams. It has pockets. Let me angle it down a little bit so you can see how long. Real time. Let's see if that'll show it. Yeah, so it goes down about mid-thigh on me. I'm 5'4". We'll go down even lower. It's really cute. Yeah, that's cute. Especially like in the spring or something, when you don't want to wear your full-on coat, you just want to throw something on. I think that would be nice. It's a nice length. Pockets. I think it's cute. I like the buttons. Again, the buttons don't do anything. They're just there for decoration. Decor, if you will. I will. I will if you will. So, I got some decisions. I think for sure I want to keep this sweater. Let's see how much the coat again is. I kind of wish it were a little darker, like maybe a dark gray. So I don't know. Okay, let's go over prices and see how much things are and see what I want to spend money on. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. Alright. Okay. Okay. The Market & Spruce Hannah V-neck pocket 3/4 sleeve in dark green, $34 for the leopard shirt. Love Ellie Raquel Pointel button front cardigan in dark pink, $48. These are all size XL, by the way. Market & Spruce Ryan Raglan high-low burgundy, the sweater that I am going to keep, $48. I'm going to keep it. I really like it. And I have gift card money. So, thanks. The Letty and Me December side button detail top in olive, $46. And the Pink Clover Haley double pocket coatigan in gray, $58. That was really nice. It's really nice coatigan. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I have to think about it. I might go on the app and see if it comes in another color if it's listed on there, because like it refreshes throughout the day. I don't have a styling fee because I have the member style pass. So it's like $49 for the whole year of, you know, free fixes without the styling fee. So $234 is the price of the box. If you keep everything, you get 25% off, making the box $175.50. Everything in the box was good. It was a good box. Thanks, Joanna. At the time, I had $46.64 in credit. So if I applied that towards the box, the whole box would be $128.86. But I think as it is, I'm for sure going to keep this one. And then I'm going to think about the gray coat again. Yeah, so you guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you want to try Stitch Fix, again, my referral link's down below. You can get $25 towards your first box. I love Stitch Fix. It's just the best box. It's the best one, in my opinion. Sorry, other boxes. It's just the best. Yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you next time.